Have you ever considered the possibility that our civilization may not be the first to have inhabited Earth? Imagine a society, technologically advanced, thriving on this very planet, long before the dawn of recorded history. This is the intriguing premise of the Silurian Hypothesis, named after a fictional species from the popular British science fiction series, Doctor Who. The Silurians were a race of intelligent reptiles said to have lived on Earth millions of years before humans. This fictional narrative inspired two scientists, Gavin A. Schmidt and Adam Frank, to propose a real-world hypothesis. The Silurian Hypothesis, proposed in the 21st century, posits that an advanced civilization could have existed on Earth before the emergence of humans. It suggests that if such a society did exist, it might have left behind traces in the geological record, much like our own civilization is doing today. The evidence proposed by the Silurian Hypothesis is not so much physical artifacts, but rather anomalies in the geological record that could indicate the presence of an industrial society. This includes possible signs of global warming caused by greenhouse gases, pollution in the form of plastics or radioactive isotopes, or even layers of rubble from ancient cities. Yet the hypothesis also acknowledges the impermanence of human constructs. Concrete crumbles, metal rusts, and in a few thousand years, there might be no visible trace of our vast cities. The only remnants of our existence might be the changes we've made to the planet itself. The Silurian Hypothesis proposes that we could be overlooking evidence of previous civilizations simply because we don't know what to look for. The implications of the Silurian Hypothesis are vast. If proven true, it would completely redefine our understanding of Earth's history and our place within it. The thought that we may not be the first civilization to rise and potentially fall on this planet is both humbling and concerning. It serves as a stark reminder of our own civilization's fragility and the impact we have on our planet. To recap, the Silurian Hypothesis is a speculative concept that challenges us to consider the possibility of previous civilizations on Earth. It suggests that evidence of these societies may be hidden within the geological record, and that our understanding of what constitutes evidence needs to evolve. While it remains a hypothesis, it invites us to question, explore, and keep an open mind about the mysteries of our planet's past. In the grand scheme of things, we might be just another chapter in the long and complex history of Earth. So, as we look to the stars and dream of distant civilizations, perhaps we should also look beneath our feet, where the echoes of forgotten societies may be waiting to be discovered.